Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today in this video, I will tell you how to make uh, our microbit can move by using an IR remote control. So we can move our microbit using this remote, just using this block. First, you need to go to this link. I already sent you the link in the description, and then after that download the file and import to the micro.microbit.org. How to import it? First you need to click import, this one, and then after that uh maybe if you want to fast without what wait, I want to try it. Oh, okay, you can choose the file. This is the file, and then after that click go ahead, and then after that you already come to the tiny bit, but you cannot download it because there is some bug in the this and this what and next in the extension. So if you want to download, it will be failed. So if you want to uh enter this file to your microbyte, you can enter it by yes, by entering that file into your own microbyte. Because if you want to do it, wait, the loading is so long because there is bug in the Yahboom IRV1 and IRV2 extension. So we just enter to how to uh put the file into our microbyte. First you need to go to the uh you need to go to look, the file is cannot download it. Okay, now go to your file explorer, and then make sure your microbit and your laptop already connected by using a USB cable. This is the USB cable. Okay, after this, after already, you can see there is what there is an extent what a folder over here, and you can drag the hex file to that folder. Wait, there is a loading. Okay, already. Now if already, you can uh enter it to your microbyte to your tiny bit, but first uh make your computer and your microbyte doesn't connect it, and then put the microbyte inside of the tiny bit like this. Like this. We will see what is the result later. Now I want to tell you what is the function of all of the block over here. So the first, we started from on start. So in the on start, it will connect our ER remote control to P8, and when we press the left button, it will turn left with speed 150, and then after that pause, and then after that wait to 200 millisecond, and then stop. It's same as like when we press a right button, but different one is it is turn right, not turn left. When we press up button, it will move forward, and then after that stop after 200 millisecond. And then this seems like when we press up button, but the difference is if up button we move forward, if this button we move back. And then if we press power button it will clear all of the RGB program. And then the next is when we press a minus button, it will be the car is will be light up the blue light. And then when we press uh what when we press turn right, it will spin right, not turn right but spin right, spin maybe 180 degrees. And then after that, after 200 milliseconds, stop. The same as like turn left, but the difference is if button turn right is spin right, if button turn left is spin left. When we click a light button, it will light up the white white RGB color value. And then if we click plus, it will light up a a red RGB color value. And if we press number 0, it will be the RGB color value is will be changed being green. And when we click a beep a beep button, it will play middle C, a tone middle C, and then for 1 bit, and then after that stop the car. And then the last is like this: if we press number 1, it will be show number 1. If we show number 1 in the microbit actually, and if we press number 2, it will show number 2 until number 9, like this. Okay, now we will see what is the result of this code. Okay, now we will see the result of our block using this remote IR remote control version version 2. Okay, first you need to connect your own microbit with the tiny bit, and then after that make sure it's already on. Okay, if already on, put it, and I will try to press the forward button plus purge. When I press a up button, it will be move forward. And then the next is uh a light button. It will be like light up with a white lamp. And then when I press a power button, the lamp is will be turned off. When I press down button, it will be move down. And when I press left button, it will be turn left. eh, it's right button, yeah, I forget. And then when I press left button, it will be turn left. When I press spin left, this one is spin left, and it will be spin 180 degrees. And when I press spin right, it will be it will be turn turn right turn right uh turn right 180 degrees. And when I click a beep button, wait there is the sound over here. And then the next is when I press a plus button, the RGB is showing the what the red lamp, and then when I press 0 button, the RGB change being green, and when I press minus, the RGB change being blue. Okay, now for the last button, when I press 1, it will show it will show number 1. It will show number 1, and when I press 2, it will show number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the other. Okay, maybe that's all for my explanation. I'm sorry if I have a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.